Unlock the hidden potential of complex problem-solving with DeepSeek's powerful reasoning capabilities. This tutorial will guide you step-by-step through leveraging DeepSeek's advanced reasoning skills, transforming how you approach intricate challenges across various domains. First, let's demystify the DeepSeek reasoning model, understand its underlying architecture, the intricate network of layers, and how they work in concert to process information, laying the foundation for its impressive problem-solving prowess. Next, we'll master its input requirements. We'll explore how to craft precise and effective prompts, providing the model with the context and clarity it needs to truly understand your problem. Think of this as giving the model the right map. This involves understanding the nuances of how to frame your questions and provide relevant data, ensuring DeepSeek can access and process the information critical for its deductive process. Now, let's dive into the output format. We'll learn to interpret DeepSeek's responses, dissecting its logical deductions and the reasoning trail it follows to arrive at a solution. Recognizing patterns and understanding the structure of its answers is key. By understanding these core elements, architecture, input, and output, you're equipped to apply DeepSeek's reasoning to an astonishing array of fields, from groundbreaking scientific discovery to sophisticated automation. Mastering DeepSeek's reasoning isn't just about using a tool. It's about gaining a strategic advantage for innovation and driving the future of automated intelligence. Let's start building smarter solutions today.